In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an image from the Constant Contact library. This can be quite handy when you need to keep a backup of your visual content or want to use those images outside of Constant Contact. So, let's dive into it and make this process as seamless as possible. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the library within Constant Contact by clicking on My Brand and then selecting Library. The library is your central hub where all your uploaded images reside, making it easy to manage and access all your visual content from one place. It's quite intuitive, so you should have no trouble finding this section. Once you're in the library, glance through your collection and click on the image file name that you wish to download. This is a crucial step because clicking on the image file name will provide you with more details about the image, such as the file URL, which is essential for our next steps. After clicking the file name, locate the file URL. You'll want to right-click on this URL, which gives you some options. Here, you'll select the option to Open Link in New Tab. By opening this in a new tab, you're ensuring that you can access the image directly without any clutter from the Constant Contact interface, giving you a clear view just of the image. Next, you'll need to wait for this new tab to load the image. Depending on your internet connection speed, this might take a few seconds. But don't worry, it will soon display your image in full view. Once the image is fully loaded in this new tab, right-click on the image. This will open a context menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Save Image As. This action allows you to choose where you want your image to be stored on your computer. The final step is to choose a location on your computer to save the image. This could be a specific folder dedicated to marketing content or your desktop for easy access. Wherever you choose, make sure it's a spot where you'll easily find the image later. Once you have selected your preferred location, simply click Save. And there you have it, a straightforward way to download an image from the Constant Contact library. This process not only helps you keep a backup of your valuable visuals, but also allows you to organize them effectively on your own devices. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you have any other questions about using Constant Contact, feel free to reach out or check back for more tutorials.